got going. Today's test and tune day, and we're gonna try and take the G37 out to the local track. As you can see, this weather. Yeah, it's gonna be tough trying to get traction in this, but we'll try it. Also, as a side note, my light's on just because I got new tires on with new sensors, so yeah, it should be fine. Just check the tire pressure and they're all good, so. Never mind then. Looks like the weather over here is actually pretty good. That's weird. What's wrong with it?
Run it, fog man. Run it.
Now I gotta cut them off.
It's just the one side. Don't cut them off yet.
See that?
Just run it. Oh, he got you. Oh, boy, get the face. It's whatever, dog. Come on, just run it.
Nah.
No, we going to OC, you'll be fine.
I'm gonna have to cut them out, dog.
We got the crew.
Hey, if it makes you feel any better.
2 Mustangs, 2 Japanese. Uh-oh.
You're smokes though.
Uh-oh, we're getting ready. Uh-oh. Look at these guys. Already working on it even before the race. So what are you guys doing? Cutting them off?
Yeah. No, you ain't got a saws on. This thing's right to keep. What are you doing? I think it's like between a 14 and 17.
And we already came to this.
Look at that. That's a 14? Yeah, we just got to tap it on. I got to hammer. That way it don't strip or nothing. Hold on, let's get that top both.
Is it still hot?
Well, yeah, but even though
No. But got the GT though. Look at that. Yeah, that's a problem. That's a problem. Chop shot. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna. I don't think you can fix that. Oh no. Yep, that's what I thought. Spawned way too much. That sucks. First run, not that great. Only got 14 at 102, almost 103. The second run, so we barely launched. 13.75 at almost 104, so about 1 second without any wheel spin, but I'll try again and get it better.
you got back up there.
It's called slated.
Slated blue, okay, because they're arguing on the radio what color it is.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank you. And lastly, meh, not bad, but room for improvement.